Well, we were talking a little while ago about 1 amp. 1 ampere, 1 amp of current. Well, usually in circuits they have less current going through the circuit, and usually in thousandths of this. So, how would you write a thousandth of an amp? If you have 1 amp, what would be a thousandth of that? Well, you divide by 1,000. And what would you call this? 1 amp over 1,000? No, of course not. You would call this a milliamp. A milliamp. Wow, you say that's not too big, a milliamp. Well, you're right. Numerically speaking, this looks pretty small. But if you get 100 of these guys going through the circuit, 100 of these going through the circuit, passing 1 point every second, and that hits your body, it will knock you right off your feet. It'll knock you down. And if it goes through your heart, if it hits your heart, that will kill you. It can kill you, I should say. So you have to be very careful with electricity. 100 million. How would we write that? 100 of these guys over where? Over here. 100 of these guys. Oh, but wait a minute. The shorthand writing we developed was this thing here. Milliamps. That's amps divided by 1,000. Okay, I could write that then as 100 and then a milli sign like this, and then capital A. So if you get 100 milliamps going for current, that could kill you if it hits you, if it goes through your heart. But if it doesn't go through your heart, for definite sure, it's going to knock you down. That's very powerful stuff. So be careful. And that's all I have to talk with you about today. Bye-bye now.